Hello friends, 7th class Olympiad workbook. I'll give the solution for one of the chapter, the lines and angles. Lines and angle, the 5th chapter. The first question, in the given figure, AD and CF are straight lines, find the angle EBF. AD, CF are straight line, find the angle EBF. You have to find out this angle. So this 45 degrees is given here. So there is a rule that if the two straight lines are intersecting each other, the opposite angle must be equal. So if this is 120 degrees, this must be 120. If this is 120, this 45 degrees is already given. So this angle must be, angle EBF must be 120 minus 45. That is equal to 75 degrees. Second question, if AB and CD are parallel, then find the value of Y. AB and CD are parallel, to find the angle Y. So there is a rule that the exterior angles must be equal. The angle 45 minus 35 is equal to, okay, and this angle is 25 plus 43. So I'll write down here 45 minus 35 is equal to 25 plus 43 degrees. This is equal to 5, it will come here, that is 2y. 35 will take it this side. So 35 plus 43, this is equal to 78. 2y is equal to 78. Y is equal to 78 by 2 is equal to 39 degrees. 2 3 ja 2 9, 2 9 ja 18. 39 degrees is the answer. The answer is C. We'll go to the third one now. Which lines is parallel to JI? Which line is parallel to JI? The question is JI is parallel to CD. Okay. One thing you have to remember, in the Olympiad exam they never give very hard questions. That will be logical there. You have to think about the logic and don't confuse yourself by thinking too much even. In the given figure not drawn onto the scale, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, and angle ECD is a right angle. Angle ECD is a right angle. So your right angle is given, and the find the angle Y. You have to find out the angle Y here. If you extend this line, okay, if the two lines are there, the opposite angle, see, this angle must be equal to this angle. If you remember, this is equal to 22, this also must be 22 degrees. You already know this is a right angle triangle. This is 90. 90 plus 22 is equal to 112 degrees. Getting my point? This angle must be equal to this angle. This is 22. This is forming a right angle triangle. If I extend this line like this, so 90 plus 22, 112 degrees. In the Olympiad exam, try to do most of the questions without pen. Try to use the very less pen and do it fast. Time won't be sufficient. In the given figure not drawn into the scale, ABC is a straight line. ABC is a straight line. Angle DBE is a right angle. Angle DBE. So this angle, this right angle is already given. Okay, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, okay, is a right angle. These are all given. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D is given. Find the angle A. So this is simple. The total angles around a point should be 360. If it is above the straight line, is only 120. Below the straight line is 180 degrees. So above the straight line is 180. So A plus B plus C plus D plus this is 90 is equal to 180. So A is equal, B equals, C equal to D is equal to is given. Find the angle A. So assume that angle A, B, C, D is equal to, we'll assume that all of them angle as X, right? So what you can do now? So we have to sum all of them. A plus B plus C plus D plus 90 must be equal to 180. So as these are angle also all are equal as given in the question. See here, all angles are equal. So I'm assuming this is angle X or angle A itself, or X plus X plus X plus X plus 90 is equal to 180. Now 4x is equal to 180 minus 90. X is equal to 90 by 4. This is equal to 22.5 degrees. So the angle A is equal to 22.5. You can, if you want, you can write 4 to the 8. So 10, 4 to the 8, 4 5 is 20. We'll go to the next question. If two supplementary angles are in the ratio 3:7, then find the difference between them. Supplementary angles, sum of the supplementary angles must be equal to 180. Okay. So complementary means that sum of the angles must be equal to 90 degrees. Had is given the two supplementary angle 3:7 is equal to 180. Now, so as it is already given, two supplementary angles 3:7, we'll assume that this is 3x into 7x. 3x plus 7x is equal to 180 degrees. Getting my point? So now this is 10x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 by 10. This is equal to 18 degrees. X is equal to 18. He is asking to find out the difference between them. Okay, x is equal to 18 degrees, right? So 7 into x minus 3 into x you have to take. Okay, 7 into 18 degrees minus and 3 into 18 degrees. So don't multiply and give the answer. Okay, try to take 18 common here. Okay, 18 common, 7 minus 3. Okay, what is coming here? This is 4. So answer is equal 4 10 is 40, 4 8 is 32, 72 degrees. Answer is 72 degrees. And which of the following options holds good? If two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles must be equal. Yes, if two lines are intersecting each other, okay, this line and this line, this angle, if two lines are intersecting, this angle must be equal to this angle, or this angle must be equal to this angle. This is okay. First point holds good. And we'll go to the second point. Second statement, sum of the angles around a point is 180. Sum of the angles around a point must be 360 degrees. Okay, this angle, this is 180 degrees and this is 180 degrees. This is equal to 360 degrees. Now I'll go to the next question. In the given figure, SOT and POQ are straight lines. SOT and POQ are straight lines. Find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. If you observe this figure, the two straight lines are intersecting each other. The opposite angles must be equal. This is 45 degrees and this must be 45 degrees. Yes. If this is 45, around this center point, this total angle must be 180 degrees. Right? So this is 45, this is 61. What is the angle B here? So 180 minus 61 plus 45. That is angle comes as B. We'll see now what is the angle B. Okay, 61 plus 45 plus B equal to 180. Okay, so angle B is equal 61 plus 45 is equal to 106 is equal to 180. B is equal to 180 minus 106 degrees. This is equal to 66 degrees, right? 180 minus 100s, okay, 80 and 74 degrees. B is equal to 74 degrees. If B is equal to 74, if it is an exam, directly you can pick this answer. Okay, B is the right answer, but you have to find out the value of A also, or you should know how to find out the value of A. But in the exam, don't to find out the value of A, as it is only 74 degrees, only one option. Tick the answer and move forward. And if you want to find out the value of A, if you see this one, this is the center point. Around the center point, around the point, the angle must be equal to 180 degrees. If this is 45 is given, Okay, this is 45 is given, so 180 minus 45 is 135. We'll go to the next question. In the given figure, not drawn onto the scale, PQ is parallel to ST, AB is a straight line, and PQ, where is the question now? See in this one, PQ is parallel to ST, AB is a straight line, find the angle BST, or to find out the angle BST. Okay, first we'll draw this one as is and we'll see. Okay, and what they did is they joined this one and they put another line here. Okay, this is P, this is Q, and this is center point is S, this is T. Okay, and this is angle A, this is line A, and this is line B. Okay, this angle is given as 98 degrees. In the question itself is given, it is 98 degrees. Okay, in the question is given 98 degrees, and this angle also is given. How much is angle is given in this? This is 28 degrees. 28 degrees. If this is angle is 28, so he's asking, the question is angle BST. Angle, he's asking to find out the angle BST. You have to find out this angle completely. You have to find out the angle, right? So angle, this opposite angles, right? Two straight lines intersecting, this angle must be 28 degrees. Okay, as this is a straight line, if I extend this one, this must be equal to 180, right? If this is 90 degrees, what is this angle? Must be 180 minus 98. How much this one? 180 minus 98, 90, 90, 180. So 90 degrees, this is 82 degrees is this angle. This angle must be 82 degrees, this one. Okay, if you extend this line, if this angle is 82, okay, so this angle must be 82. This angle must be this, what you call this one, corresponding angles, right? So if this is 82, this also must be 82. 82 and this is 28. So the angle BST is equal to, angle BST is equal 82 plus 28. This is equal 80 plus 20, 100, 8 plus 2, 10. 110 degrees. So answer is 110. We'll go to the next question now. Question number 11. Study the given figure. Not drawn onto the scale. Select the correct options. If you see this one, UV and WX is given, PQ, and this is RS. PQ is parallel to RX. How can we find out PQ is parallel to RS? PQ is parallel to RX. We can only find if these angles are equal. Then you can say it is parallel, right? Here it is given 120 degrees. So we'll see the options first. Both 1 and 2 are true. Both 1 and 2 are false. 1 is true, 2 is false. 1 is false and 2 is also false. Okay. So first you see the question, once again you have to observe. This angle is 120. If this angle also 120, you can consider PQ are parallel. So this angle is already given 60 degrees. Okay. This angle is already given 60 degrees. This angle must be 180 because point around that should be equal to 180 degrees. So it is 180 minus 60, that angle must be equal to 120. So 120, this is 120, so we can consider PQ and RS are parallel. Okay. Now how can we consider that UV and WX are parallel to each other? UV and WX are parallel to each other. Then the angle formed by these two lines must be equal. So if this is 70 degrees, this angle must be 70. Don't assume that the lines are looking parallel to me, both are parallel. No. you have to find out by, you should have a proof saying that it is a parallel lines. If this is 70, this must be 70, then only you can consider it is a parallel lines. As we have one rule, when two lines are intersecting, this line is intersecting with this line, so this angle is 60, this angle must be 60. This angle must be 60, as we already got 60. But as per this rule, this is 70. Yes or no? So then this is mismatching. So UV and WX are not parallel to each other. Okay, we'll go to the next question now. Question number 12. So the answer for this question is, okay, 1 is true, 2 is false. Okay, next question. In the given figure, find out the value of A. So this is simple. So sum of the angles around a point must be equal to 180. A by 2 plus 2, A by 2 minus 2 plus A is equal to 180. So just you should not use a pen here, but I will use it for you. A by 2 plus 2, okay, A by 2 minus 2 plus A is equal to 180, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, A by 2 plus A by 2 is equal to A, plus this is one more A is equal to 180 degrees. 2A is equal to 180, A is must be equal to 90 degrees. A equal to 90 degrees. We'll do this next question. In the given figure, find out the value of X. I'll draw this one. I'll explain you how to find out the value of X. So here if you observe this one, AB is there, AB is a straight line, and EF and CD are intersecting each other. Okay, so this is center point. Okay, AB is given, and this angle is 40 degrees. Okay, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. Okay, so you have to find out the angle X. Angle X is from here to this straight line. As per the question, angle X is equal to, you have to find out from here to here. This is angle X. Okay, as we know, two lines are intersecting each other. If this is 40 degrees, this must be equal to 40 degrees. Getting? And there is one more option for us is given. This is, what is the angle this is? So that is 31 degrees is given. One more clue for us in the question. So this angle is on how much? 31 degrees, and this angle must be equal to 31 degrees. Getting my point? So if this is 31, this angle must be 31. Okay, as we know, this is around a straight point. Okay, the angle around a straight point should be 180. 31 plus 40 plus this angle. We'll consider this angle is some angle. Okay, this angle something theta or something Z. Okay, so then 31 plus Z plus 40 must be 180. Z is equal to 180 minus 40 plus 31, 71. This is equal to 109 degrees is equal to Z angle. So this angle is 109 degrees. If this angle is 109, then the value of X from here to here you have to find out, right? 109 plus 40, the total angle must be equal to 109 plus 40 equal to X angle. This is equal to 149 degrees. Okay, angle 2. Answer is B. Next question. In the given figure, PQ, RS, UT are parallel lines. PQ, RS and UT are parallel lines. If angles C is equal to 75, angle Okay, A is equal to B of AC, then find out the value of B plus D by 2. Okay, I'll show this one. So here angle C is equal to, already given, 75. Angle C equal to, given, angle C is given 75 degrees, and then angle A is equal to 2 by 5 into C. Angle C is equal to 75 degrees. Okay, angle A is equal to 75 into, what is 2 by 5 of C, right? 2 by 5. So 5 1 ja 5 5 ja 25. Angle A is equal to 30 degrees. 15 into 2, A is equal to 30 degrees. So in this given figure, we already know now. Angle C we know, angle A we know. You have to find out the angle B plus D. You should find out. Angle, this is angle B and this is angle D. Okay, so if this is a straight line, right, this is, if you extend this line like this, okay, if this angle is this one, opposite angles must be this C must be equal to total angle 67. So here in the given figure, angle B plus angle A, angle B plus angle A is equal to 75. B plus angle A is 30 is equal to 75. Angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Angle B is equal to 45 degrees. What is angle D? In this one, in this figure, if you observe closely, so sum of these interior angles must be 180. So angle B plus angle D must be 180, right? So B is equal to B plus D, that is B plus D, B plus D equal to 180. B is already 45, then D is equal to 180 minus 45. This is equal to 135. D is equal to 135. Right, D is equal to angle 135. Now you have to find out the angle B plus D by 2. Okay, so B plus D by 2, find out. B is equal to 45, 135 by 2, D is equal to 45, this is 2 6 ja, 2 7 ja plus 2 5 ja, right? 67.5, this is equal to 112.5. So in this question, don't add it also in the exam. Okay, as we know it is coming decimals, just you have to find out any decimal values is there or not. Only two options are there. You have to sum it mandatorily. 112.5. Next question, 15th. In the given figure, not drawn onto the scale, find out the value of phi if AB and D are parallel. Okay, AB and D are parallel, find out the value of A, right? If this is 40, okay, if this is a straight line, and this line is also intersecting each other, this is 40, this must be 40, simple rule. Okay, as he has given too many angles here, 67 is also given, don't confuse too much. This is 40, this must be 40, because when these are two straight lines only, this is works good only if or straight lines. In the given figure, find out the value of x. This is very simple now. Around the point, total angles must be 360. So 2x plus x plus 3x plus 90 is equal to 360. 2x plus x, without pen we should do it. 2x plus 3x plus 3, 6x. 6x plus 90 is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. 6x plus 90 is equal to 360 degrees. 6x is equal to 360 minus 90, 270. X is equal to 270 by 6. Okay, 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 90 by 2. This is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 degrees. I'll go to the next question. In the given figure, not drawn onto the scale, DAE, CBH, ACG are straight lines. Find the corresponding X and Y. Okay, so here all these are straight lines. this one straight lines. Find the value of X and Y. Here X and this is Y. So you have to find out the angles X and Y. Here this is X and this is angle Y. Okay, so the interior angles must be 180 here. So 70 plus X, 70 plus 180 plus 180, right? So X plus 70 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. So 110, two options are there. You have to find out the angle Y even. So this is 35. This is what? So here also even 35 plus Y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 35, 145. Okay, we'll go to the next question here. If R is parallel to PQ, RT is parallel to AQ, then find the value of 8x minus 2y. Okay, this is a little tough question, but we should do it as we are preparing for the Olympiads. To find the value of 8x minus 2y. So we have to find out the angle first. Okay, X and Y you have to find out. Okay, so if you